Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Google Drive organized and clutter-free, renaming files is a simple yet powerful way to do it. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick steps to rename any file using the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't already installed it, just head to your device's App Store and download Google Drive for free. Once you're in, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you can access your files easily. Now, scroll through your Drive, or use the search bar at the top to find the file you want to rename. This could be a document, a photo, a PDF, or any file stored in your Drive. When you've located the file, look to the right side of its name. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap the 3 dots, and a menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, select the option labeled Rename. It's usually near the bottom of the list, so you might need to scroll a little to find it. A new window will pop up, showing the current name of your file. Simply tap into the text box, delete the old name, and type in whatever new name you'd like. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so you can find your files more easily in the future. Once you've entered the new name, confirm your changes by tapping OK or Rename, depending on your device. That's it. Your file will instantly update with the new name, making it easier to organize and locate later. Renaming files in Google Drive is that straightforward. With just a few taps, you can keep your digital workspace tidy and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for managing your Google Drive more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.